I don't say this lightly. Manifesting good luck always starts with the right mindset, and these good luck rituals will help you not only get into the right frame of mind, but feel it in your body and align your energy with believing that luck is truly on your side. And if you do feel like you are already lucky, these rituals practiced consistently will only enhance your luck. Let's get into it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Aubrey, and in today's video, I'm sharing with you good luck rituals that will help you attract more good luck. Ritual number 1 to attract more good luck into your life is some kind of letting go ritual. This one is all about letting go of the old so that you can make space to call in the new. We often start with wondering how we can attract more good luck into our life by packing in more stuff. But it's important to begin with a ritual of letting go of the old or things that are no longer serving you, such as habits, behaviors, thought patterns, maybe even people, so that you can make space for the new. This can simply be done by writing whatever you want to let go of down onto paper and then burning that piece of paper. The key is making the conscious decision that after you burn that piece of paper, you'll no longer entertain those thoughts of fears, do those habits that are no longer serving you, or stay in the same thought patterns that are keeping you stuck in that state to begin with. And when you let go of those thoughts, behaviors, habits, or even people that are no longer serving you in your life, then you make space for the new people that are more aligned, the new thought patterns that do serve you, and the new habits that can bring you closer into what you want to create for your life. So why is this so powerful? The full moon is a time of peak illumination, and during this time, it symbolizes a sense of completion and clarity. It's a potent period when the moon is aligned directly opposite to the sun, creating this sense of harmony and balance in the universe. As the moon reaches its fullest potential, its energy intensifies, and so does ours. So a powerful time to do a letting go ritual is during a full moon ritual. Generally in these ceremonies, you can expect some cacao, breath work, meditations. So you can imagine when you're gathered with a whole bunch of people who have the same intention, allowing space for new things to come into everyone's lives, then you can imagine how potent this can be. Ritual number 2 to attract more good luck into your life is some kind of morning ritual. Personally, I like to have a morning ritual menu. So this involves a few things that are listed that I know that I like to do in the morning. And then whatever I feel called to do is what I'll pick on the menu and then do that. A few of these rituals involve affirmations. So this involves looking into the mirror and repeating positive affirmations like, today I am open to receiving good luck and positive energy, or listening to them as I get ready. I actually have a Lucky Girl affirmations track that I've created for you to listen to as soon as you wake up or as you're getting ready. I'll link it up on the screen or in the description box below. And this is here for you to start believing and integrating into your subconscious mind that luck is truly on your side. Gratitude is definitely a practice that is incorporated into my morning menu almost automatically because there's always something to be grateful for. And when we can start the day by looking at the positive things, and we can train our brain to go on that path of always looking out for what's working out for us, the positive things that are happening in our life, and the good luck that surrounds us. So I start my day by listing 3 things that I'm grateful for, and there's always going to be something that's different. So if you are struggling, get into the details. Look for things that make you feel lucky, because there's always going to be something, like the shelter that you have, the warm bed that you just slept in, the cute PJs that you got to sleep in, anything and everything. This practice invites positive energy and good luck into your day. Plus, it just feels good. Along with affirmations and a gratitude practice in my morning menu are setting intentions. So whatever it is, if you're starting a new career, a new relationship, a new day, a new journal, It's always so great to set intentions for how you want to show up in that particular scenario. And if you set the intention of attracting good luck and being in your best energy, you can make sure to constantly go back to that intention throughout the day. I set an intention the other day when we were off to the markets. I set an intention in the morning to be open to receiving the good luck of finding a brown leather jacket. And it's little things like this that allow you to practice attracting that good luck into your day because, markets are a treasure trove of things. One person's trash can be another person's treasure. And I love markets because you never know what you're going to get as soon as you walk in. And so to set the intention that I was open to finding a brown leather jacket felt good. It felt fun too. And guess what? I found one and it was actually 50% off. So I tried it on and the lady was commenting how good it fit me, which I can admit that it fit really, really well. It's like it was made for me. And then she mentioned that it was 50% off. And I was like, done. Thank you, universe. And I almost just laughed to myself. And I was telling my husband, I actually set the intention to find a brown leather jacket. I didn't go into detail. I missed out on the detail of it being suede because I do want a suede brown jacket. But hey, I found one, it fit perfectly, and it was 50% off. Ritual number 3 to attract more good luck into your life is having some sort of I am lucky journaling ritual. So this can look like a physical journal that you write in all of the lucky moments that surround you and that you experience and are calling it an I am lucky journal. Or it can look like something just on your notes app that you write in, just something to help you remember and record these lucky moments in your life and have it so that you can access it to go back to. So for me, my lucky journaling ritual is actually a photo album on my phone. And I've named it Lucky in Love. I'm a very visual person, and when it comes to love in my relationships, particularly the one with my husband, I like to capture certain things when I feel so lucky to be in this relationship and have it in my photo album where I can look back on. And when I do record those moments and put it into my Lucky in Love album, it just makes me feel just that, so lucky. And then when I put a photo in there, I add a new one. I actually look back on the other photos in my Lucky in Love photo album and I just remember and I can tap back into the feeling of feeling completely in love and so lucky. So whatever it is for you, allow those feelings and moments to be recorded when you feel lucky so that you can go back to it and feel those same feelings in your body again and again and again. Ritual number 4 to attract more good luck into your life is a new moon ritual. Just as the energy of the full moon is a good time for letting go, the new moon is a symbolism of new beginnings and a perfect time for calling in. New moons are a perfect time for rituals dedicated to more introspection, reflection, visualization, and setting intentions. Planting the seeds, if you will. It's also fresh and revitalizing and allows you to align your energy with your goals of attracting more good luck into your life. It represents a clean state and the perfect time for you to focus on what you want to create moving forward. Working with nature with an open heart is so powerful. You can attend new moon rituals just like there are for full moon rituals, and that's great for connection and community and setting the same intentions with everyone's energy around you, or you can hold your own new moon ritual. I have my own personal practice, but I also love and have held these new moon rituals for my community. I have a playlist as well that sets the right tone, the right vibe, and the right kind of mood. So I'll leave that playlist in the description box below as well. During this time, I like to do a meditation, journal, light a candle and some incense, and I like to consume cacao. I personally use Sacred Cacao, and they've gifted me this set, which I absolutely adore. And I do have a code for you. You can use this code on the screen for 10% off. Ritual number 5 to attract more good luck into your life is an evening ritual. So just as we have a morning ritual, evening rituals are just as powerful to have some sort of reflection and visualization. The reasons why it's so powerful to have a morning and evening ritual is because that time that we're just drifting off to sleep or waking up in the morning, our brainwaves are still in theta state. And this is when our subconscious mind is most open to suggestibility. So just as you're drifting off to sleep, this is a really good time to visualize your goals. Spend a few minutes visualizing your goals and desires and all the good luck that surrounds you as if it's already manifested. Imagine the feelings of joy, satisfaction, and feeling so lucky that comes with achieving them. See yourself as lucky and so fortunate in all areas of your life. Before you're drifting off to sleep, set the intention that you're going to be guided in your dreams for opportunities and good luck, trusting that the universe is always working in your favor, even whilst you rest. And if you do work with crystals, place a piece of citrine, amethyst, or green aventurine under your pillow or on your nightstand. These crystals are known for attracting luck, prosperity, and positive energy. Tell me what good luck rituals resonated with you, or if you have your own good luck rituals for attracting more good luck into your life, comment down below. I would absolutely love to hear. Don't forget, you can always access the Lucky Girl affirmations track that I created for you to listen to every morning as soon as you wake up or whilst you're getting ready. And of course, to dive in deeper, I invite you to join me inside my signature program called Empowered Creator. This is for the woman who is ready to finally get out of her own way and step into her lucky, empowered identity to create the life she knows she's truly meant to live. I'll leave all of the details in the description box below. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, always sending you all the creepy love.